everybody, Spotify Wrapped. This is Lady Gaga. I am so grateful to every single one of you for listening to my album this year. Your celebration of my record meant so much to me, and easily my favorite milestone of the year was reconnecting with my fans all over the world. Hearing Monsters sing every word to Mayhem was so awesome. Hi everybody, Spotify Wrapped. This is